In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Canon Maxify GX3020 printer with the clogged nozzles. If you see the prints are blank, if you see ink is missing, then you can follow this video. First you have to check if there is enough ink in the ink tank, and then open the ink chamber. Look inside and check if the ink pipes have ink. Right now we can see there is no ink in the ink pipes. That means we need to flush the ink so that we can start using it. If you see the ink is there, that means you need cleaning. So we'll do both of the process. If you have ink here, you can just straight away go to the cleaning process. If you don't have ink in the pipes, then you can start with the ink flush. Even in the ink flush we can save a lot of ink. I'll give a trick for that. Close the door and go to the printer display panel. On the control panel, select the option maintenance. Now if you have ink in the ink pipes, you can straightway go to the cleaning process and repeat it as many as times you want to get the complete result. If you don't have ink in the ink pipes, scroll down. Select the option replace ink in the print heads and press OK. Select all colors, press OK, OK again, and click yes. Just to make sure you have enough ink in the ink tanks, just check the ink level. It should be the lowest level you can see here, so it should be at least up to lowest mark. And then click on the OK button. So click yes, yes again. It will display like it's gonna take around 9 minutes. Now in the 9 minutes, if we complete the ink flush, it will definitely waste a lot of ink. So we will just wait here for few minutes. Once the printer starts its cycle to flush the ink, you will hear a sound from the printer. Wait for the sound to stop. Let's check inside. Open the cover. So we can see 3 inks has started to work, but we'll still wait for another cycle for the black ink. We'll just wait here for the second cycle to complete. Let's check inside again. It's still making sound, but we'll see if the black color has started. Not yet. So it has stopped the noise. Let's check again. So right now we can see all the inks has started to work. So let's close this ink flush system. So right now we can unplug the power cable. That's the only way we can do it. Once you unplug it, plug it in again and restart the printer. So this will save a lot of ink, because if you complete the 9 minutes, definitely it will consume a lot of ink and that will be wasted. Go to the printer display panel. You will get a message on the screen that the power was shut down improperly, so press OK and then you will see the main screen. Now let's do the cleaning. Scroll down to the maintenance, select the option cleaning, click yes. Also load paper in the paper tray. We have to print the nozzle check sheet. Now this will unclog the print head. This process can take up to 1 or 2 minutes, so we'll just keep an eye here. Let's print the nozzle check sheet. This will give an idea if all the inks are working right now or not. And you can see all the inks are working. Now in case you still have a problem, then you can just repeat the cleaning process few times. Click next, select all A, so everything is okay and it says it's not clogged anymore. Now in case, as I said, like if you need it, you can repeat the process many times, because just doing the cleaning will not take a lot of ink, so it will save the ink and it will also improve the print quality. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer with the clogged ink and no ink in the pipes or missing the ink on the prints. Thanks for watching.